institute has been a big part of my journey of overcoming this fear, because before, in the 9th grade, before the exam of social science, I used to cry because I didn't know how to learn it. I couldn't memorize it, but the faculty here is so good. They provide a lot of material which helps me to memorize it way faster than I did in 9th. So I think that is the biggest thing that has been done to me this year. The main reason, the core of the strengthening of these strengths of mine are the faculty. I again credit it to them, especially my math teacher. He has provided me with the best kind of lectures, the best material to study from, and I love the fact that he records every single lecture of his, so I can review it every single time before the exams. And for science, I'd like to really credit the biology teacher, Yamini ma'am. They all have provided me really good material to study, but the best part is they don't go out of the syllabus, which makes me focused and helps me in building my answers, because I was really bad at writing answers in the 9th grade. They told me that I wasn't good at formatting it, but the teachers here have helped me to write it in a perfect manner, in a proper manner. So that is what has increased my marks recently. My concentration power has increased because of extra lectures. I wasn't too fond of going to extra lectures, or rather I'd say tuitions, before I was in the 10th grade. But since the day I've joined this institute, they have convinced me that any time of the day is worth it if you spend it studying. So this has increased my concentration level and has drastically improved my marks. This is actually helping me a lot, because this has provided a base for me that I exactly needed for going in competitive exams in the 12th grade. So what have they done is that they have taught me the value of focusing on writing answers as short time as possible to save time. And they have taken so many tests of mine that I'd like to say that I can confidently take part in any of the competitive exams that come in the 12th grade.